In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to fix the E31 error code on a Bosch dishwasher. Start by disconnecting the dishwasher completely from power. Safety always comes first. Next, carefully pull out the dishwasher from its base and tilt it backward at about a 45-degree angle. This helps drain any trapped water inside, which can sometimes trigger the E31 code. While it's out, inspect the drain hose, especially where it connects to your home's plumbing. Look for any kinks, blockages, or buildup. If you find any gunk or debris, clean it out thoroughly. Then, open the dishwasher door and locate the mesh filter at the bottom of the tub. Remove it and rinse off any trapped food particles, grease, or mineral deposits. A clogged filter can prevent proper water flow and cause error codes. Once you've drained the water, cleared the hose, and cleaned the filter, reconnect the power. Run a quick or normal cycle to check if the E31 error disappears. If the error code still appears, the issue might be with the heating element or the heat pump system. These are internal components and may require replacement. At this point, it's best to contact a certified Bosch technician. Attempting to repair the heat pump or heating element yourself can lead to further damage or safety risks. And that's how to fix the E31 error code on a Bosch dishwasher. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other troubleshooting guides.